Available in the Enterprise Edition of Cerberus, the Event Manager allows you to configure email notifications, perform file or batch file actions, and carry out certain server operations based off of server events. This is just a brief overview of the Event Manager. Visit our video library and support page for more Event Manager examples. The Rules page provides an overview of all the rules you have added. From this page, you can add, delete, clone, enable, and disable a rule. You can enable or disable a rule from this page. Whenever a rule is disabled, that rule is no longer checked whenever the system generates an event that would normally trigger the rule. Selecting a rule from the Events Rules table will open up a summary of the rule for editing. You can create and edit event tasks on the Scheduled Tasks page of the Event Manager. Scheduled tasks are similar to event rules. However, rather than being triggered whenever an event, like a file upload or directory creation occurs, event tasks are time-based and occur on an admin-defined schedule. Administrators can configure scheduled tasks to occur once or to repeat every minute, hour, day, week, weekday, month, or year. The Event Targets page allows you to add email servers, executable files, and HTTP endpoints as event targets. Many of the actions you can invoke as part of an event rule or schedule a task requires an event target. For example, the email event notification action requires an email server, and the launch executable action requires the file path to the executable file. Those event targets can be defined here. There's also certain server actions that can require an SMTP server like public file sharing or password expiration notification. You will first need to add at least one SMTP server here before the server can carry out those operations. You can also check out our video library for a video on how to set up the SMTP server using the event target page. The folder monitor page allows you to configure the server to monitor a top-level folder and subfolders for setting up a file retention policy. You can configure a directory and subdirectories to be monitored for files older than a specified time period. The directory then will be checked at an administrator-defined interval, and files older than the specified age will be deleted. You can see our example of configuring the folder monitor in our video library. The Event Settings page allows you to configure settings like the email template logo, whether to include server information in event emails and other global events. The default email event title. This is the email heading title at the top of each event notification email. Custom email icon path. That allows you to include your own icon logo with event notification emails instead of the default logo icon. Include icon in emails. This determines whether or not the customer email icon path is included with each event notification email. Include server origin in emails. This determines whether a server version and machine name are included with each event notification email. Include event description in emails. This determines whether or not the basic event description is included with each event notification. We hope this gives you a better understanding of the Event Manager. You can see more Event Manager examples at our support page at www.cerberusftp.com, and also check out the video library for more Event Manager example videos.